I've been using Google Play Opinion Rewards for over 10 years now. My first survey reward from Google was given around the middle of November 2013. And since then, I've earned close to $200. And that should give you an idea about what to expect with this program. No, it's not going to make you rich, but I was able to buy almost $200 worth of games and movies that I normally wouldn't have been able to budget for otherwise. And as you can see here, there is a big Refer Friends button right on the main page. So for those of you who haven't signed up yet, this may be the best time to do so. I'm going to be including my referral link down below, and as you can see, if you use that link to join up, then we will each earn some additional Google Play credit. I do understand that this app and the service that Google is offering is not going to be available in every country, and that's what the link will be available for as well. Everyone will be able to click the link to follow up with the sign up process, and Google will tell you instantly if it's going to be available in your region or not. Many of the surveys that I get are related to things that I have actively searched for on Google. For example, if I had recently searched for a movie that my girlfriend and I were interested in watching, there are times that I will get an opinion reward survey about those results. The question will sometimes ask me what I think about the number of ads on the screen, or if I was able to make use of the AGI summary located at the top of those search results. Sometimes I'll get opinion reward surveys because I was inside of a store that has partnered with Google for surveys. And other times I'll get questions about personal interests of mine, which Google will then use to figure out if I'm eligible for future surveys within that category. I've been able to pay for most of the original Final Fantasy ports available on Android because of these survey rewards. And I've used these credits to pay for movie rentals and to help buy an ebook in the Play Store. These can even be used for in-app purchases as well. You can see I currently have over $11 in credit that I am actively looking for certain games to buy. So again, if you haven't signed up for Google Play Opinion Rewards, then both you and I could get a bonus if you sign up with my referral link. I hope all of you have an easygoing Friday that leads into a very fun weekend. My partner and I will probably be watching the final episode of the Squid Games reality show, and then finishing up the show Silo, before maybe catching a movie or two. So start earning some Google Play Store credit so that you can get a movie or a game from the Google Play Store over the weekend. And it's always a great way to help support this channel without ever needing to spend $1.